Hello friends, welcome to the fun class number 9.1 of the video lecture series permutation and combination. In this video we are going to start the combination part number 1. So in the previous video I have already discussed how to find out the combination NCR in very simple way. Please do not use the formula n factorial divided by n minus r factorial into r factorial. Please don't go with that formula. Okay, with my shortcut trick you will solve any NCR within a 15 seconds. Okay, so let's start with this today's topic. So just introduction. So we already started with 15CR. Sorry, so 15C2, how to solve this 15C3. Let's take. So reduce this 15 3 times, 15, 14 and 13, and write down the numbers 1, 2, 3. Okay, this will give you nothing but the NCR, which is n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. So don't use formula, just go with this trick. Let's check out our first question. In how many ways a group of 3 players can be formed out of 11? Okay, so out of 11 is nothing but our n. Selection कितने लोगों का करना है? That is always r. Total log is always n. Okay, so यहाँ पे n is 11 and r is 3. Okay, total we have 11 players. Out of that I have to pick 3 players. So how you do? That is nothing but 11c3. That's it. Okay, how to open this 11? 3 टाइम नीचे ढकलना है इसको. 11 10 9 divided by 1 2 3. That's it. 3 3 is 9. ये गया 5 में, 5 3 15. So 15 into 11. How you multiply with the help of 11? How you multiply any number with 11? कुछ नहीं करना है. So 15 into 11. How you'll do? Write down 1 and 5 as it is. Okay, ये दोनों का ऐड कर दो. 5 plus 1 is nothing but 6. So 165 is my answer. Okay, so multiplication is a trick for the multiplication with 11. So let's take example 45 into 11. How you do? 4 5, write down as it is. 4 5 as it is. Addition of these two numbers is 9. So that is nothing but the 495 is the multiplication of 45 into 11. Okay, so this is just a part, just I have given you for your information. So answer to this question is what? This is nothing but 165. Okay, next. So in how many ways a group of 5 students can be formed out of 6 boys and 5 girls for a competition? एक competition है, अपने क्लास में 6 बच्चे हैं, 6 boys हैं and 5 girls हैं, and we have to form a group of 5 students. अभी उसमें कुछ कंडीशन दिया है कि भाई 3 लोग चाहिए, 2 बॉयज चाहिए, 5 की 5 गर्ल्स चाहिए, ऐसा कुछ कंडीशन है? No condition. This is very simple, very basic question of the combination. So when you have no questions, just take n, just take r, find out NCR. Okay, let's find out. No condition, so what will do? 6 plus 5, which is nothing but 11. So 11 total कितने में से निकालना है? ये 11 में से निकालना है. So this becomes my n. कितने लोगों को निकालना है? 5 लोगों को निकालना है. So this becomes my r. Okay, so NCR is nothing but 11C5. So how you write 11C5? कुछ नहीं करना है, 11 को सिर्फ 5 बार नीचे डाल दो. 11 10 9 8 7 divided by 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so let's try to form. ये 2 5 गया 10, 3 त्रिक 9, 4 दूनी 8. ओके, 7 दूनी 14, 14 त्रिकम 42. सो इट इज 42 into 11. फिर से 11 आ गया. सो हाउ यू मल्टीप्लाई? राइट डाउन 4 and 2 as it is. दोनों का सम कितना गया? 6. सो 462 is my answer. No need to write, no need to use the formula n factorial upon n minus r factorial into r factorial. No. Just use this method. You will get the answer within 20 to 30 seconds. भाई explain कर रहा हूँ इसलिए time लग रहा है, ठीक है? Without explanation, you will damn sure you will crack any question within a 60 seconds. Okay, so next move to the next question. In how many ways a committee of 5 students can be formed out of 6 boys and 4 girls so as to include exactly 3 boys and 2 girls? अभी आ गया भाई ट्विस्ट, कहानी में ट्विस्ट आ गया. उसने भाई देखो, अगर यहां तक देखोगे क्वेश्चन को, सो दिस क्वेश्चन इज व्हाट? नो कंडीशन वाला क्वेश्चन है. So as this sentence included, we have to think a little bit. 3 boys and 2 girls को ही लेना है. We have to select only 3 boys and 2 girls. Okay. We'll solve this question very systematic ways. How many total boys you have? I have total 6 boys. I have total 4 girls. Okay. And I want in a group of 5, I want 3 boys. So इसमें से मुझे 3 boys को लेना है. I want to select 3 boys from 6 boys, and I want to select 2 girls from 4 girls. समझ में आ रहा है कुछ? सी बड़ा कॉम्बिनेशन वाला क्वेश्चन छोटे 2 कॉम्बिनेशन में हो गया. 6 boys, 3 boys. I want to form a group of 3 boys out of 6. In how many ways you can do this? You can do this in a 6C 3 ways. Okay. Out of 6, I want to form a group of 3. So this becomes 6C3. Out of 4 girls, I want to form a group of 2 girls. Okay. अभी देखो यहाँ पे ना and है. So this and is what? Whenever you get and, just do multiplication. And है ना? So just to do multiplication of these two. So your answer would be what? 6C3 into 4C2. That's it. If your option is in this fashion, then directly check and mark your option. अगर नहीं है तो ओपन कर दो इसको. 6C3 को ओपन कैसे कर दे? 6 5 4 1 2 3 into 4 3 1 and 2. देखो क्या क्या कैंसिल हो रहा है. बेत्रिक 6, ये 2, ये 5 चौक 20 गुणिले 3 2 6, which is nothing but 60. Sorry, 120, which is nothing but 120. Okay. So whenever they have given a condition, just focus how we can reduce the bigger combination in a smaller combination question. Okay. Okay, next question. So in how many ways a committee of 5 students? So intentionally I have taken same sentence with the different conditions. अभी देखो ये 5 लोगों का एक ग्रुप बनाना है, 6 बॉयज है 4 गर्ल्स है, सेम है. ठीक है. अभी एटलीस्ट 3 बॉयज को इंक्लूड करना है अपने ग्रुप में. ओके. ओके, लेट्स चेक. 5 लोगों का ग्रुप है with the condition एटलीस्ट मीन्स व्हाट? मिनिमम 3 बॉयज आई वांट. सो मैक्सिमम कितने होते हैं सर? मैक्सिमम कितना होना चाहिए? 5 के 5 स्टूडेंट्स बॉयज होते हैं, हो सकते हैं. ओके. सो द कंडीशंस विल बी लाइक दिस. सी हियर. सो माय केसेस विल बी लाइक दिस. सो 5 स्टूडेंट्स है, मिनिमम 3 बॉयज चाहिए. सो केस नंबर 1 विल बी व्हाट? आई विल हैव 3 बॉयज एंड 2 girls. I want total 5 students ना. So I can have 3 boys and 2 girls. केस नंबर 2 क्या बोलता है? I can have at least 3 boys है. So मैं 3 से ज़्यादा भी ले सकता हूँ. So I can take 4 boys and 1 girl. And केस 3 बोलता है, so you take all boys and no girl. So these 3 cases can be formed easily. Okay. At least case means what? Minimum 3. Minimum 3 है. Maximum कितना भी हो सकता है. No problem. Now tell me with the help of previous question how you can select 3 boys out of 6 boys is nothing but 6C3. How you will select 2 boys 2 girls? That is 5C2. Okay, so it is nothing but 6C3 into 5C2. So you can have this case or this case C2. How you will select 4 boys out of 6, that is nothing but 6C4, and 1 girl from 5. Sorry, it is 4 4. Okay. So out of 4 girls, how you will select 1 girl, which is 1, and 5 boys and 0 girls. So 5 boys and 0 girls, 4C0. So this is nothing but what? C1 or C2 or C3 you will get. So whenever you get or in the question, just to go for addition. And रहेगा तो multiplication. Okay, this is nothing but of principle of addition and principle of multiplication, which you have already studied in your lower standards. Okay, so if you combine this everything, if you combine this everything, what would be the your answer is C1 or C2 or C3 मतलब what, plus कर दो, because this is our rule. So your answer would be what, 6C3 and 4C2 or 6C4 and 4C1 or 6C5 and 4C0. Okay, this we have already calculated in our previous question, which becomes 120 plus 6C4 is nothing but 6 into 5, 1 into 2, because 6C4 can also be written as 6C2 property into 4 plus 6C5 can also be written as 6C1. So it is 6 into 4C0 is nothing but 1. Okay, so how 1? 4C0 is nothing but 4 factorial divided by 4 minus 0 factorial into 0 factorial. 4 minus 0 factorial is nothing but 4 factorial only. So it is 1. So your answer would be what? So 2 2s are 4. Okay, 6 पंचे 30, ये हो गया अपना 6 पंचे 30, 30 दूनी 60 हो गया, ये हो गया 6, ये हो गया मेरा 120. So 120 plus 6 plus 6, which is nothing but, so when 60 plus 60 plus 6, it is 186. 186 is my answer. Okay, next question. So in this question, what you have to understand is or condition. At least means minimum 3 boys. Okay, let's check what would be the answer for at most case. Okay, at most 1 girl. So the question remains same. I want to form a group of 5 students, 6 boys and 4 girls I have, and at most 1 girl should be there in a group. So again, at most maximum एक लड़की चाहिए, maximum 1 girl, minimum 0 भी चलेगी, no problem. Okay, so how many cases you will have? Case number 1 में क्या बोलते हैं, maximum 1 girl. So ले लो, एक गर्ल ले लो, 1 girl. एक गर्ल रहेगी तो कितने बॉयज आएंगे ग्रुप में? 4 बॉयज आएंगे, बिकॉज इन टोटल वी वांट 5 स्टूडेंट्स. और यू विल हैव 0 गर्ल्स. मैक्सिमम एक गर्ल चाहिए, मिनिमम कितना भी चलेगा, एक के ऊपर 2 गर्ल चलेगा ग्रुप में? नहीं चलेगा. सो 0 गर्ल्स. इफ वी हैव 0 गर्ल्स, how many boys you can select is 5 boys. Okay, so you have here C1 or C2. So how you will select 1 girl out of 4, that is 4C1, 4 boys out of 6 into 6C4, 0 girl 4C0 and 5 boys 6C5, दोनों में और है. So just add these two. So what would be the answer? So now open open. So it is 4 into 6 5 1 2 plus 4C0 is 1 into 6, which is nothing but, ये गया 3 से, 5 3 15, 15 चौक 60, 6 plus 60 plus 6, which is nothing but 66. Okay, so at most 1 girl रहेगी तो I can form total 66 groups in which I can have at most 1 girl. Okay, I hope you understand this question. Okay, so with this we conclude this topic here, and in the next fun class what we are going to study is 5-star question. Remember, 90% students fail to understand these type of questions where the examiner asks you how many groups you can form, where the x is always included in the group, y is always excluded out of group, if y is in, x is in, if y is out, x is out. These type of questions we are going to study in the next class. Okay, thanks for watching this video, and if you really like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends and family, and please do not forget to subscribe my channel to get more fun classes.